Hello there. Welcome to another live stream. One sec. I am debating whether if I want to be on camera right now. Mostly because I messed up the back, or my back. Well, more like my neck, actually. The back of my neck is a little stiff. So I don't know if I want to be on camera right now. I might choose to not be on camera today. Just because I don't feel comfortable and like it hurts. Let me get the music on. And once again, we're doing Stardew Valley, unfortunately, because, well, everything else will get the stream demonetized. Okay. There it is. Okay. Oh, that's embarrassing. Really gotta put all of that in a folder so that it, like, I can hide it all at the same time. But I keep forgetting. Okay. Just getting everything ready. Oh. That shouldn't be there. That was a rather short song. Interesting. No chatbot, right. Game dev stream, no chatbot. Okay, here we go. Let's begin. But first let's start by describing or explaining what this game is. So I should maybe like write down like what I'm going to say each time, because I've kind of refined it over time. But Vessels is essentially a treasure hunting game of sorts. Let's call it that. You know what? It's not of sorts. It is a treasure hunting game. It exists in a world where spiritual energy flows freely and concentrates in places of great tragedy. And your job in the game is essentially hunting these special spiritual artifacts called vessels that help kind of tell the story of that location. So that's kind of where the treasure hunting mechanic or genre comes in. The game's gonna have like a scary, spooky tone. There's no enemies though. There's no combat. There's no traditional health or anything like that. But it's all very, much tied to the spiritual world, spiritual energy, emotions, that sort of thing. Each location will have its own unique story and stuff like that. There's gonna be puzzles. There's gonna be obstacles like anomalies that are gonna make things difficult for you. And of course, you got to do all that without losing your goddamn mind. This is great music for what I'm describing right now, because this game is rather dark in tone, but man, music is just like perfect for this. Okay, let me turn off the air because it's cold. Turn off. There hasn't been anything new in here as of late. Oh, let me open this before I forget. So, okay. I don't think there's much in here for me to do right now, because like these require assets. I need sound and visual effects. This I think I did already technically. So the milestone's looking good, and I'm already ahead in other aspects. But I could just hop on in here. In fact, actually, let's also begin doing the bug fixing thing I started a while ago. Fix a bug or two at the beginning of each stream. Okay. So we can start with the top one here. Dropping or consuming an item from the inventory needs to return focus so the player can immediately click the inventory button to exit it. Okay. I think that's just a matter of resetting the focus. That's something that I might need to search, but let's go ahead and do that. So inventory, it's gonna be in here. Because when you click on a button or scroll on a button with a controller, that sets focus to that button. Basically means that you are now actively in control of the button, and so you can do whatever actions can be done with that button. So obviously it works a little differently for controller and mouse. Let me see. I'm gonna have to look this up. I'm trying to think. What's the best way to go about this? Searching it in particular, that's what I mean. Because if I consume this, I want to be able to immediately click on the inventory button. And I can't. I'm mashing the inventory button right now, but it won't let me exit. That doesn't work because that hasn't been hooked up yet. That's what I need to resolve. Because when I go into when I activate the inventory, what is happening? Let's look at the code. I've moved things around because I got rid of all the equipment stuff, because that got removed entirely. Inventory should be around here somewhere. Ah, it's here. Okay, so it would be here. So we're setting it to set player controls. So we're setting it to menu. Okay, we're disabling the player, obviously. That's good. Menu. Hold on, wasn't this that? Yes, so I think I did change this. I believe that's working as normal. This was just getting out of hand, so what I did was I just submitted... I set all of the different interactive items to have its own text. And then the player... It gets sent to the player. Instead of doing this on the player for every single type of object. So we're done with that. I need to see... what is happening here? Okay, here it is. So we're switching to true. Okay, so we're switching to game and UI. Okay. I don't know what that does. So really it's just like the keyboard focus is gone. We need game and UI when we're in an inventory, because not only will we have the mouse and keyboard, eventually there'll be a controller. We need to be able to move around with the D-pad, and I think that's where you need the game. Maybe not. Why do I have it as game and UI? I don't think you need game and UI. Well, I mean, it's not breaking anything from what I can tell. I don't want to look at the video, please. Show me guide. The wording of this search is going to be... I need to figure out what exactly I'm looking for. Doesn't even have responses. Why am I here? This is not gonna help either. This is not a new start time, Castle. I don't know why you would think that. This is just the start time for today, because I'm in a bit of pain. Hello, hi Jess, welcome. I'm not on camera today because I'm kind of in some pain here. I messed up my neck, so it's hard to turn my head. Also, I have a question for you, and this is perfect timing because I don't think Bill Collector's here, because Bill Collector's not gonna like what I'm about to say. Jess, would you like to be a moderator for the channel? It's not paid, obviously. You don't have to be here all the time, but I would like more moderators. Because right now I only have one, and Daniel isn't here every time, every stream. If I can get more, that'd be great. And you're one of my candidates right now. I should also offer it to Kirk as well. You type in focus. Can't type apparently. Yes, okay. Let me, I'll have to open up the desktop version of the stream. What is doing? Oh, no, let's not put it on that screen. Hold on. Permissions, community moderation. I need your specific YouTube name. Not your name, your handle. That's what I need.
Good code is good. We don't touch that.
Shut up! There's your handle. There you are. Congratulations, you're now a moderator. The only thing I ask you... Well, actually, I need you to ask you two things. or ask you to do two things. One thing, I guess. Read the channel rules on the Discord, please. Just make sure you're 100% aware of all the channel rules. And then one thing I need you to not do is ban people. If there's ever a moment where someone needs to be banned, you just let me know. But you have full permission to time out, remove comments. Well, I guess you could block someone yourself if you find them annoying, but that's only going to affect you. But if we need someone banned, then I will do it. So there you go. I'm also going to get Kirk on board, hopefully. No, that's not how that works. That's completely separate. The Streamlabs sound alerts are not... There's no, like, different levels. It's me or everyone else. Bill is not gonna like this. I do kind of hope Bill Cutter shows up because we're gonna talk after the stream. There you go. Yeah, just however often you can be here, that's perfect. I need to figure out what's going on with Eternal Roses because that's one of the moderators, and they are. I haven't seen them in months. I don't think this is what I'm looking for. First, I should figure out where am I putting this? Okay. Actually, what I'll do is this. Here. Reset focus. Forcus? Why not Spooncus? Reset focus. So that's where I'm going to put whatever code we need. And then each of the buttons have to call that, essentially. So I'm going to need... No. HUD. The item button. Quick slot. No, not quick slot type. Idiot. Equipment belt slot and where's quick slot? There it is. Okay. Well, actually, I only need. We'll see if I need it for every type of button. Okay. But right now, the concern is when I'm dropping or consuming an item, and that disappears from the inventory. Then I lose the ability to use the keyboard until I click the menu. So there's got to be a way to do that, and that's what I need to look for. Best way to restore focus. Bill was here yesterday, but yeah, Bill isn't here all the time. Maybe this does need to be UI only. I thought I already tested this and this didn't work. Because I don't think I need game. I think I just need the UI. I don't remember if this is important. It just complete. Okay, so that's why it's that doesn't work. I need game in order to access the keyboard. Game is what allows me to use the keyboard. UI is for the mouse or the I believe the D-pad and the sticks on a controller. So that doesn't work. It needs to be game and UI. Okay, so it says if that doesn't work, try setting the top level of your widget to focusable, the very top item in the widget list on the left, and make sure it stretches all across the... But I already kind of have that, because it would be this essentially. That's not focusable, I guess. I don't think that's the issue. The issue is that the keyboard loses input focus. So that doesn't help. Okay, I think this might help. This is C++. That doesn't help at all. Oh, can I print the input mode setting? No. Oh, hold on. Input mode? No. Is there no way to figure out what input mode you're in? No, there's literally no way to do it. Hold on. I can't believe I'm spending half an hour on this bug. No, there's no way to do it. Yeah, there's just no way to do it. That sucks. Because I want to see if maybe it's changing input mode. So, okay, let's try this. So when I click on a button and it's getting deleted. Okay, I think, oh, I think I know why. Okay, so we need to basically just copy this into here. So set input mode game and UI. I need to reset this. Get player controller. Okay, this should work. A lot in my head this makes sense. And then the focus UI is self. And then whenever the button disappears, whenever we use it, shoot. Filtering for equipment. So here. No. Oh, it's gonna be in here. Because these buttons are the ones that actually do the actions. There they are. So when we drop a button, remove an item, drop an item. We need to reset the focus. So that's when it's dropped and also consumed technically. So that would be in here as well. Okay. I think that'll fix it. Hopefully. Yes. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Perfect. Okay, well I can't consume that. So consume it. Yes. Okay, perfect. Awesome. That fixes the issue. And I don't think there's anything else in the game at the moment that would need that, but I'll remember it from now on. Because that's actually very helpful to remember. And it makes sense. Like, here we have to set it so that it's accepting gameplay and UI input. When we're clicking on a button, that changes the focus to the button, and then the button disappears so the focus is empty. So we need to reset it to the menu here. Perfect. Okay. So that clears that bug. We'll just move on from there because that one was kind of a lengthy bug. A nasty one at that. But we got that figured out. Okay, we're going into the village. So this is what we're doing. Also, I should explain what is happening here. So, off stream, I have taken the time to figure out what is essentially the story for this level. I mean, I've got it written down. I know the events, the relative order of events that happened here, the nature of the story for of this location. But what I was trying to figure out, starting yesterday, actually, I'm so behind on this. Actually, like I don't think this game is coming out this year. I'm gonna be honest, just because of many different delays. Like one week could make the game delayed for like a month, like a week of uncertainty, or like I can't work on the game or whatever. So that doesn't matter. It's fine. Let's just finish the game. Let's finish the work I need to do before I go to Mexico next month. So the story plan is as follows. There are 3 difficulty modes for every level, and each difficulty mode is basically corresponding to a different period in the night. Dusk is the early night, midnight is midnight, and witching hour is the late the early morning. And it's essentially corresponding to difficulty. Things are going to get a little stranger, more difficult, a little scarier the later in the night. For early access launch, I just want the 1 difficulty. That is essentially one component of the story for this location. the other 2 difficulties will complete the story, and then there's other mechanics that are required for actually like finishing it. But those mechanics will come along with the new difficulty. So like where was it? It was in here, I think. Yes, so we had like the different updates, the different planned updates. Here's where Midnight would be. It's the 4th major early access update. That's the Midnight difficulty. And I think Witching comes here. Which requires deciphering. We need deciphering to be a thing before Witching. And before deciphering can be a thing, we need the Alchemist. No. Yes. No. Not the Alchemist. The Counselor. The Spiritual Counselor, which is yeah, it'll be earlier. So there's kind of like a plan to slowly roll out all the major mechanics required for each difficulty. And that would allow for all of the whole story, essentially, to be out. So we're just going to focus on part 1, which is Dusk. That's what we need for early access. So I only need 1/3 of the level done. I've already got the story mostly figured out, but that's fine. The actual level design, I only need 1/3 of it. I've already gone through and blocked the view of any of the other houses that we're not going to be focusing on. So for part 1, we're focusing on house number 1, which I know on this picture isn't there, but it's there now in the game. And I moved the water tower. House number 2, which is the island. House number 6 and house number 8. And that revolves around the different notes that I have selected to be in this specific difficulty. Difficulty 2, Midnight, will revolve around houses 2, 5, 6, and I think 8 as well. And then difficulty Witching Hour difficulties, all of the houses are enterable, explorable, whatever. But it focuses mostly on house 4, which is actually at the center of the story for this location. There's also going to be the kiosks. So there's a structure here in the middle that I don't see in the level right now. I don't know where that went. I might have deleted it, but I kind of wanted it there because I wanted to put there's like a job board here that's actually going to be important for the story. And then I think what's it called? A water pump here as well. Kind of like fill out this area. It's kind of like the center, the village center, but I'll need to figure out what that is and put it back in the level. So there's gonna be that. House number 7 is the one that's deconstructed, so like no one's living there at the moment. So I'll probably do something with that in every difficulty, and then the garages also will have some stuff going on. The water tower as well. So in the first 2 difficulties, certain houses will not be enterable, or even you can't even look in them. I'm going to put up curtains to block your view. Eventually, when I do get to the second difficulty, I'm gonna have to put stuff into a load. What is it called? It's like I forgot what it's called. Let me find the window for it. Levels. Persistent level. So basically, a persistent level is a level that I can set up within this level. It's like a layer on top of this level, the main world. And I'll put items in that persistent level. And when it's disabled, those items are non-existent. See? Or the persistent level is the main world, sorry. I'm an idiot. I would add a level on top of this, essentially. How do I do that? Create a new level. So it's like a sub-level within the main world. So like the curtains that are literally blocking your view of some houses, those will be in those levels. And then the locks that are going to lock the door, which won't have a key at all, those will also be in that sub-level. I forgot what it's called, a specific term. But I know how it works. So that's how I'm going to like block off certain houses. It's going to be sub-levels within And when you select your difficulty and then level loads, it's going to load all of those objects, the curtains, the doors with the locks, and all of the items that are unique to that difficulty will appear, will spawn. That's when we get to the second difficulty. Let's not worry about that. So let's figure out what's going on here. So I kind of want this to be like the town center where people will congregate. I think I might get rid of the second kiosk. I think I only want the one. I was thinking about that. It's actually in a folder where it says might delete later, and I think I'm going to delete it. Or you know what? Instead of deleting it, let's move it under the level. So let's make sure this light is disabled. It's off by default. Okay. Okay. We're going to move it under the level. We don't want it, but maybe I'll change my mind later. Ooh, how does this work? Because there's a power line here, and that's clearly... I think that's just a splined mesh. Oh, this is still all connected, isn't it? I need to ungroup. I should make a folder for the kiosk. Oops. Oh. Make a subfolder for the kiosk. No, not in there. Put it else. Put it out. I'll put it outside. Why? How does this? How do I do it so it doesn't do that? All right, everyone, close. My neck is killing me. Ow. How does add folder? Why is it throwing it? Wait, what is that? Why is that in there? Oh, I see. Can I? Oh my god, I hate this so much. No! Stop! I thought there was a way to do this. There we go. Jesus H. Christ. Daniel's here. Uh-oh, Daniel's about to find out. He's being replaced. I'm kidding, Daniel's not being replaced. But somebody might be replaced. One of the moderators might be replaced. So I'm thinking... Okay, why are you sinking through the floor? I might have to tidy this up. So I want the whole kiosk to move. Is this the whole thing? Nope. Oh dear god, is everything separate? Maybe it was a mistake to ungroup it. Oh no. Maybe it was a mistake to ungroup it. Okay, first of all, these can go. These aren't going to be in the game. Like, doesn't make sense. Get rid of the snacky snacks. Like, entirely. Goods. Why are there so many goods? Are they all in here? Oh, there's more over there. I see. Get rid of them. We don't need them. The door included. This. That. Okay. Gonna do this one at a time, I guess. That. The chair. Whatever the hell this is. Oh, the light. Okay, that's everything. Except for this. So how's this gonna work? Ah. That's unfortunate. Okay. Kind of have it like facing the road. Like nearly perfectly. Okay. Perfect. Now how does this work? Oh, shoot. Hold on. Yes, while I have it all clicked. Kiosk. Okay. So they're all in the kiosk folder now. Dude, my neck's actually killing me. I think I need like a neck pillow or something. You're playing House Flipper. Fun. House Flipper 2. I think I know who it is. Where's my cam? I'm off camera today because my neck is killing me right now. I messed it up earlier and I don't feel comfortable being on camera like this. Is this something I can click? No. Oh, yeah, right there, right there. It's that, right? Hello? Hello? Can I not click on the end there? There we go. Yeah, it is a spline. I knew it. I hate splines. Splines hate me. Okay, why are you curving? Where was it connected before? Shit. To the top. Okay. Alright, why are you curving so much? Stop that. Stop this nonsense. Where are the curve points? Ah, there we go. And then this one. Much better. Is that like low hanging? Oh wow, the flashlight can't even like reflect off of it, so thin. Can't even tell the difference. No, I think it's good because I gotta like also imagine vehicles used to drive through here. That looks like more than enough room. Okay. So let's tidy this up a bit. Not tidy it, but like move things together. So it's not as messy. Obviously we don't want the front blocked. Oops. I love Stardew music and Stardew. I should maybe play some more Stardew. There is a Stardew mod that lets you like fully expand the world and even adds like new places and new characters. I'd love to play that. Am I going to stream it? No, probably not. Okay, there. Now we have access to the front. The door isn't blocked. That looks good. Like, it looks like it's lived in. Obviously, I'll make it more messy in here. Like, it's been abandoned. He hurt his neck. I thought it said he neck hurt. I misread that. I think I might be slightly dyslexic or something. I don't know. I'm playing Ranch Simulator. Rancher Toast. It's time. Oh, I need to make a thumbnail for that. And I should put a little ranch, cowboy hat, I guess, on my logo. Okay, that's good. Let's tighten this up a bit. So let's move these over. Again, this is like the town square, sort of. So then maybe let's put this over here instead, by the tree. Put that there. Let me stack these. And actually, I kind of want to add in... Here, we'll do this. I'm just starting to like put these around where it makes sense. This one's junk. There we go. And then like this one, I'm gonna replace. Actually, let's replace it now. Replace it with the wood one, so it's actually functioning. Although I kind of want the one with this. Actually, it's not covered in. It's got this on top, so like it doesn't make sense to have snow on it, but that works. See, now that's actually interactable. Well, I think I still need to fix that. I think those are still broken. Okay. Yeah, let's figure out. Okay, I know I have some benches in here, so let me search for them. Let's make this like a commons area kind of place. Not this one, because this is supposed to be a relatively poor village. And since these are outside, let's put those snow-covered ones on. We'll do that, and then where's that silo thing? It's in the village pack for sure, because it was in the village level. I deleted it, I guess. Oh yeah, but wanted to put a couple of these around. Oh yeah, I think I totally forgot. I'm missing something. I need like garbage cans or bins or whatever. All over the place. Huh. I don't see it. Oh, should I put a porta potty here? Or an outhouse, I mean? No, maybe no public outhouse. Everyone has their own outhouse. I don't see the thing. It's this thing here. That looks like a silo type thing, right? Or grain tower or whatever. I don't see it in here, so I think I might have removed it. Dude, it's so hard to look down even. Don't look up. It's true, gamers don't look up. Right now I can't look up because it fucking hurts. Yeah, I don't see the thing, so it makes me think I might have deleted it. The water tower's there, right? Yeah. But that's not what I'm looking for, because that doesn't look the same. Methinks I might have deleted it from the game. Ow! Fuck it! God damn it. Let's do this. Let me open this up. I don't think I'd stream more Stardew unless I'm like super in the mood for it. I will absolutely be playing Haunted Chocolatier though when that releases, which is probably like 5,000 years from now. I don't remember the last time we heard anything about Haunted Chocolatier. The Concerned Ape is, sorry, words are hard. Concerned Ape is taking his sweet ass time with it, which is probably good. I think Concerned Ape, what the fuck is this? The few like viral tweets that I've seen of him makes it look like he's the kind of developer that just has like idea after idea after idea and actually like puts the time into making it before ever like showing anything. He probably learned that as he developed Stardew, because I think he planned on stopping development on Stardew years ago, I think, but then he kept making more and more content for it because it's like an idea he has and he doesn't stop. But I think the most recent one the 1.6 update, I think that's the last update for Stardew. I don't want to say fingers crossed, but I mean, more Stardew content would be awesome. But like, I would love it if he just finished Haunted Chocolatier and released it. I'm gonna play Haunted Chocolatier. What's wrong with that? Add to project. I'm gonna re-download Village, the Slavic Village. and see if this asset is in here. This is going to be the original version of the village. Probably would have been a good idea to duplicate the village level. I guess I can kind of do that now. I can duplicate this village level and move it over. What's the current game size? Because it was like absurd how big it was before, but then I did the I removed the assets. Is this actually got anything? No. Jesus Christ, I still need to go through and figure out what's taking up so much room. I gotta go through asset folder by asset folder and delete stuff. This will take a bit because obviously I'm streaming and I'm downloading something. But anyways, I don't know if I want to add anything else here. Do I have like a campfire? Oh no, interesting. I don't. I have like a campfire or something like that. That's fine. I don't think there's anything else in here I can put that would make sense for like a public space. And again, it is a poor village, so we don't want like too much, but I think that might be good. I kind of just want this like silo looking thing right here, because it was part of the level originally. It's just gone. I don't know why. Wonder if he'll ever make Stardew Valley 2. Maybe in the future, but I doubt it anytime soon. Stardew Valley came out in 2016. It's gonna be 10 years since it came out. Actually, I'm curious. It's not even on here. Haunted chocolate. Stardew. Has he even put it up yet? Oh, there's like not even a Steam page for it. Interesting. That reveal was like, what, 3 or 4 years ago now? That's crazy. Alright, what's going on the wish list here? Still waiting for this one. I want to play this game. It looks so adorable. Also, this one. Q4. Oh, this here. Okay, cool. These are from the same company as Blasted Plastic Duck Simulator. Sea of Thieves as usual. Ugh. How bad is it? 52. Yeah. Oh, it's in early access. Fun. I don't want this. I literally don't want it. I'm not buying another AAA game, honestly. I say that and I'm staring at Like a Dragon. But these are different. These developers are awesome, and also they do discount these games eventually. Older game. That's fine. I'm not doing that for $40. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. This came out. I'm actually kind of tempted to play it. Oh yeah, look at this. This is really bad. 31%. But this is the full year. That's the full year. Season pass essentially. The actual expansion's like at 42 last time I checked. This is the zombie. This is Zombie Apocalypse Papers, Please right here. This is that game that I want to play. I have the demo. I should probably play that at some point. It says November release date, so that's perfect timing for when I come back. Crow Country. I really want to buy this. If they did like 50% off, I might consider it, because this is basically Resident Evil. It's like Resident Evil 1 style, but top down instead of isometric. This also looks cool. It's like an indie game, indie horror game set in space. I'm kind of interested in that. We got all the gas station stuff. Untitled Goose Game. I've got this survival game that Zach's been playing. This is like a cool concept. It's a zombie survival game, but it takes place in medieval times, so it's kind of interesting. They don't have a demo for this, do they? A demo for this would be cool. Peak. Oh, this is kind of cool as well. It's like a world where plants somehow took over and they're kind of intelligent. And it's kind of like a survival action game in a way, open world, with plants taking over the world. Enough about that. We're just waiting on this. It might be better to just work. Okay, so over here is an example of like what I've been able to set up so far. This is the old lady's house. This is house number 2 technically. So the only thing I'll say about this house is that the person living here is somewhat rich, but not living a rich life. They have wealth that they've been secretly hiding. So the interior, I mean, all the houses are gonna look like this, like the same materials and all that, furniture, but like the differences is gonna be in. Excuse me, why are you not loading? Hello? Hey, where's your LOD? What the hell? Anyways, the differences between the houses are gonna be not in the structure, the type of house, the size of the house. It's going to be in what's in and around it. So like she's got a good setup here. She's got her own water pump and the trough as well. Outhouse, clothing line there. The interior is actually kind of full. She's got tons of stuff. This is kind of representing her wealth. Also tons of containers for you to loot. And also the curtains, I believe, should be matching. Yeah, I need to change this. The curtains matching also is a tell that they are better off than the others. Whereas if they are poorer, I want the curtains to not really match or be tattered. Like some of these are all messed up and they're mismatched. That's how I want like these houses to be slightly different. So I gotta change these. But yeah, I've actually gone in here and actually detailed it even more than the other houses. This is like level 2 of detailing for the house. So level 1 is like the furniture, and level 2 and the containers, and level 2 is like all the debris and junk. And I think I really like how this one turned out, this first house. You got like even like a pretty detailed kitchen area with all the utensils, bottles, jars. There's even like, I don't know what you would call this stuff, like seasonings? Maybe ingredients, rice? I don't really know. But it's all over the place. She's got like tons of food bags. You got a bunch of extra containers, more containers than the others. More just general belongings, and that's all kind of there because she's more wealthy in a way. And then we go to house number 2, or not, sorry, house number 1. Technically, I only just started decorating it more than just the furniture. Like today, I just started. So this house is supposed to be poorer. This is a mother, a single mother, raising 2 girls. And so they're poor. The father abandoned them a long time ago. And the mother's malnourished because she prefers that her daughters eat. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the outside so far. I'll probably only add a couple more things because I don't want it to be too much. Because again, we want this place to look like it's poorer, a poorer family. I think this is probably good in terms of like stuff. I just need to add maybe like a carpet, like one carpet maybe. I guess I got the one here. And then here's the bedroom. I just need to mess it up with like junk and debris and clothing and random shoes and stuff like that. But there's that house. This other house is another one I gotta start doing. I haven't even started this one yet. Completely empty. This is a bigger family too. This has like 5 people living in it. And then this is the frame hitch. This is the other house that I will be working on for this difficulty. Partially done. It's 2 people. Relatively poor, but not too poor. But yeah. I think I want to continue with this. Unless this is done. Oh, let me close Chrome. That might speed things up. But I'm like trying to figure out what can I put in here. So if you have ideas for what I can like literally just throw into the level. Oh, like here. Oh, one of these would be perfect. How big is this? That's like a planter. Oh. Ooh. Can I click the pot, please? Oh, it doesn't have fucking collisions. How does this not have collisions? Shit. Pot? Why doesn't this have collisions? Oh, it does. Why was that not clickable? Anyways, I'm a little concerned here with the color. Add a kitty? No, there's not gonna be kitties. Does that seem out of place? Like if I go up to this house, it seems a bit out of place, right? Like if it were darker and dirtier, it would be better. I think that's the move here. Oh, I think the brightness is what we need to change. Yeah, there we go. That's what'll make a huge difference. That's much better. A car. There's already vehicles in the level. I actually do need to add more vehicles. Excuse me? Hello? You done yet? No. Yeah, this is significantly better. I kind of want it to be like the colors are muted and dull because things have been abandoned for a while. Much better. Yeah. A lot better. It's like some of these houses, yeah, obviously they got the blue paint, the green paint, but like everything is all dull and, you know, the paint is peeling in some places. The inside, you know, looks like it's molding. Well, there's a bunch of dirt. There's wood chippings. Like, yeah, like that looks like it's been, the wood is chipping. This is perfect. So like this pot originally did not look good here. Okay, so I think we'll add like maybe 1 or 2 things here. I do have cars here, right there. A couple of them actually. I'll add them where it makes sense. Not every house is gonna have their own car because I don't think it makes sense for all of them to have one. Only some of the people, the families. I had a lot of moo-moos. There aren't any moo-moos though, unfortunately. Let's see what else I have. I'm just like going through and seeing what I do have in terms of decorations. Just so I'm aware of what I have. Here, let's do this. Again, I don't want too much. Is this like all messed up? No. I don't want too much here. I want this to be... I want this to look like it's one of those houses that are... one of those families that are poor. The house reflects what the family went through. Their life, essentially. Actually, in the pot, that could be an item spawn right there. That'd be a good spot to put an item. I kind of regret taking my medicine now. This would be a great time for me to drink some wiki. But I shouldn't. I think I'm out of options here. That makes sense. Oh. Yeah, we'll do this. I might have to find more shoes because I don't have many that work here. I think it's just the one. So I guess I don't have any really except for this one. There we go. Oh, palette. There we go. I'll probably add more eventually, but like this is good for now. When am I gonna play Minecraft again? I think I'm gonna wait until I come back to Mexico for that. So October maybe. I think that's the paper. Okay. I think this house is good. So I'm gonna move all this over to the next house. Nope, not the level. Not the level itself. This is just so I can copy and paste. From this stuff. Gonna move it in front of this house. This house, let me, God damn it, okay. Oh, that's in the story document. Let me not show that. This is house 8. Okay. It says, despite double income, they barely make enough to get by. Because they have 2 kids and then a grandpa to take care of. Okay. So we'll say they do have some stuff. Like, they're better off than most of the village, but they're not rich. Unlike house number 1, she's got stuff, but she's not really living a wealthy life. But she's got stuff, she's got wealth. And then house 4, I need to figure out what I'm going to do for that, because that's going to not resemble any of the other houses. It's going to be like an actually decent sized house with like a wall and everything to separate it from the village. Do you have an idea when you might start with the raft lore videos? Yeah, literally next week. Next Friday's video is a raft video. Raft videos will start rolling out starting next week, and then the week after that there'll be a second one, because why not get 2 in a row? Come to Canada next, Toasty. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'd love to, actually. Okay. So we'll move all that over there. Let me make sure all of this is in the correct folder. I think I already did that one. It's this stuff. This goes into house number 1. Oh, I already clicked one of these. That one? There it is. Did I put you in house 1? Yes. Okay. Paper? Let's just start throwing paper around here and there. It's basically debris. Oh wait, because this is the one I'm using for notes, so I gotta be careful. Maybe not that one. Maybe the ones that are clearly like crumpled and junk. They're like sinking through the ground. What the hell? Okay, there we go. More of it makes sense in here. Do I just have like junk? No. Enough cloth. Oh dear God, no, not that. Where's the? I thought I saw some. Hello. Where is? Oh, there it is. Pile. Oh, that's what it's called. Okay. Throw one of these in here. What else did I have over here? I think it's just literally cloth and garbage, or paper, really. I maybe should look up for more. Let's do that now, actually. Ow, fucking neck. So, let me check my assets first. Let me just type in junk. No, unless these are all separated meshes. I don't think so. It does say 96 assets. Actually, some of this would be good, but like this is more of like a junkyard. I'm not looking for that. Oh, I think I have some of these downloaded as individual assets. Like these things look familiar. Those two right there. That hook, I think I already have this downloaded. Oh, this is Quicksoul. Okay. Yeah. I have the individual downloads of some of these things. I don't want an asset pack though. What I'm looking for is just like debris. Like garbage. Stuff that be on the ground. Okay, trash. I'm just typing in keywords. Oh, like a box. Hold on. Boxes. Not a lot of boxes. The problem is that it might not be named box in here. Do you have a... Oh, that was coming from earlier. Yep. Yep. So this Friday's video will be Ash Canyon. And then next Friday, assuming nothing goes wrong, that will be the raft, the part 1. My head is killing me. Or my neck, I guess. 3D. What do I have? I think I might have to look it up and find it. Honestly, Quicksoul might have what I'm looking for. If I can, like, click on Quicksoul. Yeah, like this. Oh, but these are money. Wait, don't I technically have them for free? Okay. Why can't I... Motherfucker. I'm just gonna do this. Exit. Go to home. Debris. And it's free! Quixel stuff should look up. Yeah, it should be in here. Not quite what I'm looking for. Yeah, like earlier I saw the metal can. I'm thinking metal cans, or like cardboard or wood chunks, paper, old scraps of anything really. So junk. I was I'm only 30 years old. It was when I was helping my mom bring groceries in. I guess I might have pulled a muscle or something. I'm only 30 years old. I'm getting old. I need to maybe start stretching every day from now on. Well, once the old neck heals. That would be kind of cool, but no. There's really not a lot of options here. Oh boy. Okay, if I go to Quixel, I think I did see... Yeah, I'm on the Quixel page, so if I type in junk here... Okay. Trash. Okay, maybe this will work. Oh, God, my fucking... Is this actually going to cost me money? Oh, I don't have this. This must be a newer item that they added. Because I remember when they moved to Fab from the Epic Games launcher, you had to get everything from Quixel before the transition because it would start costing you money. So I owned all the Quixel stuff for free because they were giving it out for free anyways, up until they moved to Fab. So anything new like this stuff, this came out after Fab, that means I can't use it. So it needs to be free. And that severely limits what is available. Okay, I'm literally gonna have to type in specific words, so can. Okay, trash can would be good. Let's get the open and closed one. I need to like get an actual asset document going. I don't know why I copied it. Oh yeah, this should be done now, right? Yep. This will either take a year or it's going to be instant. Because I technically have it open, but it's in a different game. Hurt your arm and shoulder taking the garbage out? Yeah, that sucks. Hold on, it's gotta load all the textures. Oh. Why does this look like more of an apocalypse? Okay. There we go. Yeah, there's nothing there. Huh. So what the fuck was I looking at? No, it was like one of these. Ooh. There. Oh, it was a goddamn tree. That's what it was. Oh. It was just the tree. Okay. It's even registering this as a giant collision. Okay, well, I'm glad I wasted my time downloading this stupid fucking whole level. Ugh. Delete. Delete. My neck hurts now just from thinking about this. What a waste of time. Purging. There goes like 170 gigabytes. Or megabytes, I mean. Come on. Yeah, for some reason it's registering that whole tree as like a giant silo-sized collision. I thought it was an actual like object that was there and I deleted it by accident. It's gonna take a bit. Oh, it's almost there. Oh, I just realized I'm deleting the level that I'm currently in. What's gonna happen? Unreal just deletes itself. I don't think it deleted a single thing. Let's just close that. Add to project. And then the open one. Add to project. So... I think I have a document. Hold on. Oh yeah, I can just use the sound document or sound assets document. New tab. Sound effects. Meshes. So I'll just move this over to that. Oops. No. Oh, what am I doing? No, I'm not moving. I'm copying it, idiot. I have to make sure this is fully up to date. Excuse me. Okay, there's definitely more than this. Okay, that takes care of that. So we got the open and close one there. Trash can, trash can. Okay. Yeah, definitely missing a trash can. Oh, good, and even it separates the trash cans. The trash can from the lid. Awesome. So I want the open one available so that I can maybe turn it into a container. But I want to make sure that it's like, it actually looks like there's garbage in there that you can search through. The tree better than the Deku tree from Legend of Zelda. Real raggy, what? Is that even the right size? Oh, first of all, that's like floating. Edit the pivot, the bottom. Yeah, it's the right size. It just looks bigger, obviously. Fucking camera speed, I swear to God. Okay, that pivot's fine. That looks good. There. Okay. That's like one thing that was definitely missing. Okay, now I need the camera to be faster. Same thing here. Oh, how big are these? 3,000 triangles? Hopefully it's not that big. I don't really know. Besides that can I get just like a generic aluminum can? God damn it. Paint can, rusty container. That's not what I'm looking for. I want like... Okay, I guess that could work. I just need like a whole section that's just Quixel. Oh, hold on. Page maker. So we've got trash can, open and closed. There's this one. Now I know I've got more Quixel stuff. There's one. The hell is this? I don't know if that's correct. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And then I'm adding rusty metal can. Low poly, please. Okay, so we can just like start tossing these in there. Ah, fucking pivot point is not centered at the bottom, or at the very least centered. For some objects it makes sense to be at the bottom. For some it makes sense to be in the center. We need this to be at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, I can start tossing these around here. They're like junk cans of food or something that's gone bad. But I want like an actual like can. Oh god, no. No. Why did I say it? That was not intentional. Metal can. Like aluminum can. But not like that. Like rusted to shit. Crushed to death would actually be ideal. Ooh, that looks good. Oh god, that's money, right. For free? Please? Ooh, for free? Well, we can't throw Campbell's in there. God damn it. Is it really hard to get a free aluminum can asset? Preferably crushed to death, but if it's intact, it's fine, I guess. Can you got any good cans? God damn it. Yep, I made a mistake. Okay. It seems to be very specific sometimes. Can free. Oh. Yeah, this'll work. Oh god, paste without formatting, please. And then the author's name is Sunbox Games. I also want to put the creator of the asset in there as well. Just in case there's like overlap, there's like multiple assets with the same name. I hope to God these are all separated and not together. Son of a bitch. Why? Oh, actually, you know what? We'll just do this. But then... Yeah, no, I don't want that. So what I'll have to do is this. Copy, paste, paste, paste. We'll call it aluminum can. Sorry, any Canadians or British people. So that's gonna be the aluminum can. Where's the original? We'll call it sardine can because that looks like a can of sardines. And then this one is the soda can. Oh, this is going to be a pain in the ass. But we've got to do it. First of all, camera. Slow the fuck down. Modeling. Oh, I'm going to regret this. This is what I would normally do off stream. Triangle select. Okay. I guess this doesn't have many triangles. I've got to click every single triangle I can possibly find. This is a pain in the ass. I don't understand why these assets are not already, like, separated. Like, it's fine if it comes with one where all three of them are attached, but there should be a version with all of them detached. I wish I could check the inside of the can. That's going to be a pain in the ass. Ugh, okay, delete. Yep, I fucking knew it. Wait, what the hell? What? Oh. See what I mean? Pain in the fucking ass. No! Last triangles. Oh, thank goodness. Center the pivot. Okay. There we go. Jesus H. Christ. Now I've got to do the same thing for these two. Fun. Why isn't there an option to, like, click all the triangles and the one click a triangle and every triangle that's connected to it gets selected as well? There probably is, and I'm being a stupid idiot because I'm not an artist. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this isn't that bad. Like, there's some assets that are like thousands of fucking triangles. Okay. Right. I guess there's like an inside and an outside. Fun. I'm so glad I'm not an artist. A 3D artist. Also an animator. Sound designer. Just literally everything. accept. Hello? That's not the bottom. Oh, there's a fucking triangle at the middle, underground. Hey, get out of here. That's got to be the bottom of the can. Okay, good. Why am I doing all the work for the fucking the asset maker? What the hell? Let's see, do you also say aluminum foil? Yes. What? Yes. Do you not? I'm assuming you don't say aluminum. I assume you say aluminium? I don't know if that's how Canadians say it. I know that's how British people say it, and it pisses me off. Did I delete the triangle? No, it's just sinking through the floor. Also, the way British people say glaciers pisses... no, yeah. Glacier and crevice, it pisses me off. They say glacier and crevasse. I'm gonna show you my crevasse if you don't shut up. What? Anyways. I'm just talking about stupid stuff, that's all. Nothing important. Just words. Say a word however you want to, it's fine. Just make sure it's not a dumb way of saying the word. Wait, what changed? Why is this like... What changed? Why are these white now? In game. God, the inside, I see. No, we call it tinfoil. Oh, interesting. Well, there's tinfoil. Okay, I believe when people talk about the tinfoil hat, like conspiracy theorist hat, it's actually aluminum. Like, it's made of aluminum, the metal. But yeah, some people call it tinfoil. I don't know why. I don't think tinfoil is a thing. It's really just aluminum foil. There are tin cans, though. Click on the triangle. Oh. Oh, I meant to delete. My neck is killing me. Excellent. Alright. This is actually making things a lot better. Like, it's helping to, you know, make things dirtier. So actually, it's kind of nice that I kept one of these, because then I can just do this. Now I've got all three of them attached to each other, which I'll only use every so often. Where's the metal can? Like the rusty one? No, the other one. This one. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, you know what? We'll put some on the table as well. Actually, let's not put those in here, because those kind of would, like, represent food. Something that this house shouldn't have a lot of. But maybe like 1 or 2. But these are obviously rusted with time. So that we got 2 of them here. I'll put a Put a bunch over in the old lady's house. There. I guess it might be better to spread it out more. Looks kind of odd. I think it makes sense here to see a bunch of it because it's the trash can right there. Put that there. That's good, I think. Oops. Oh yeah, I might have to do something with the foliage because this house wasn't here originally. It was I moved it from somewhere else. Actually, no, I copied and pasted this one. There's foliage poking through. I need to fix that because all the other houses shouldn't have foliage underneath them. Oh god, you say pop? Oh no. Oh no. I say soda. I don't like the word pop. Oops, wrong thing. Oh, let me do the other girl, the other room. Anything else I can think of? Like, cardboard would be good. This is good. That one was perfect. Cardboard. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, these are all Quixel too. Let's not make it look like it's a bunch of Amazon boxes that have been like compressed. I want it to look like cardboard scraps. I think holding on my neck's also hurting too. Owie. I might just have to use these. Okay, like this is fine actually. I might get 2 of these. So cardboard sheet. I think they're both named the same thing. We'll get this dirtier looking one. Oh, this would have been good. Actually, no. This one? Yes. Cardboard sheet. Yeah, they're named the same thing. Yeah, I wish they had like different names. Like cardboard sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. But no, they decided to name them all the same thing. So dumb. I think those 2 are probably good. Yeah, that looks too new. This looks a little dirty, but not like this one. This one looks dirty and greasy. These have been ripped to shreds. To shreds, you say? Anything else that I can think of? Cardboard. What other junk do you find? Oh, let's load up the Long Dark and just take a look. Yeah, this will help. Let's just take a look. Ignore the Stardew music, though. And the activated windows at the bottom. I'm trying to remember which of my saves have I, like, not removed all the junk inside. What is a sodi? I'm pretty sure... Oh, where have you heard that? I don't think I've ever heard anyone say sodi in America. Dear God, no. Here's the thing, it's been a hot minute since I've loaded this one. Oh, okay, so it's been so long that the trader got added. That's been that long. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Here's the thing. So this building got moved. I think it's mostly just, yeah, plates, cups, bowls, like a microwave, a toaster. We're not gonna have any of that in the village, in my village. Books. I could have like generic books. The problem is oh, picture frames, yeah. Photos on the walls. I'm just like taking mental notes. Paintings, lamps. Again, like, because some of the houses will represent families that are richer or poorer. I don't want too much. The problem is this is one of those houses that was barely abandoned. That's check one word. Has been a while. Well, at least I believe it's been a while. They live in Kentucky? Well, Kentucky is not America. Kentucky actually doesn't exist as a part of the Union. Actually, I could say that about a lot of states. I'm thinking this house. Oh, it's inaccessible. Right, it's random. Also, I could check honestly, all of Milton could be a really good example for what I want to do. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Yeah, like a cardboard box, a metal pipe, wires. Paint bucket. Okay. Just taking mental notes here about what could work. Ah, shoot, I forgot. This save file was meant for any news videos. That's why I had that fire set up in the house over there. Yeah, cardboard, newspapers. Papers in general. Flat screens. Damn. And a security camera? Right, it is a bank, technically. Yeah, they also have like random cloth. Planter. Coffee machine. Radio. Right, I should find a radio. I think I have one, actually. We're not gonna have any computers or anything like that. Alright, I think I got a good idea of what to do, what to add. £1,000 sisters, where you heard that from? Dear God. Hold on, I want the save file to be here. Because that's for the news videos. Okay, that was a good look. Gave me some ideas. So yeah, I definitely want... I already have some containers. Like this basket. Or this basket. And I think there's like a box somewhere else in one of the other houses. Those will act like boxes. I don't want aluminum... cardboard boxes though. We'll just do the flat cardboard pieces. Yes, radio. Do I have it in here? So let's do like... Pretty much every house is going to be like this. It's going to be messy and dirty. I think I might just move some of this shit into the same folder from now on. Wait a minute. Oh, I see. It's the same asset, but it's flipped over. Got it. I thought it was two connected to each other. No, it's one. Oh, you know what? I kind of like the idea of them maybe using, instead of carpets, because this is a poorer family, they're using cardboard to clean their feet. Their shoes, I guess. Yes. Yeah, that makes sense. When you have no other options, this is how you gotta clean your shoes here. Maybe not 3 of them in a row that are the same. Hello? There we go. Yeah, there you go. See? Instead of a carpet. So let's actually get rid of this. I think carpet is too rich for this house. And then we'll throw another few here. Another one here. Hello? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Radio. This house won't have a radio, but the other one will. Not that radio. I don't. Okay. Oh, hold on. I think I have like the Western. Okay, so we're in 1980s, by the way. Oh yeah, it was this. The PT-ish radio. Apparently this is from PT or inspired by PT. Let's add that in. Excuse me. PT-ish radio. Yes, perfect. I thought I had it in here. PT-ish. No. Yes, this is perfect. Oops. By Florian 5000. I've only ever heard the name Florian one other time, and that was GTA 4. It was one of Nico's suspects for the traitor from his story. Oh, that felt good. Oh, but I couldn't move my neck at all. Yeah, we're so the game takes place in modern times, but this location is lost in time. It's in the 80s. It takes place. At least that's when it was abandoned. We're not actually time traveling. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying this location is a relic of the 80s. So we're trying to stick to 80s. But we're also in a post-Soviet Slavic village, so we're trying to make sure that things that I add to this level that weren't originally part of the asset pack, they match this style. So the van there, that already matches the location. That was part of this. But all of this, I had to make sure matches the style of the buildings, the aesthetic, and the timeline that I want to base all of this off of. So this radio should work. It looks like it's from that era. I don't know. If it's off, that's fine. It's just, it looks like an old style radio. So that's what I want. That's perfect. I've even grabbed like random assets that kind of match with the time frame. So I've got some old style, old timey watches, like the ones where you have to like open the lid to look at the time. And then there's the rich family, the one that's gonna live all the way down the road. There's gonna be a regular watch, not digital, but like the one with the open face. It doesn't have like the lid on it. It's like a more modern day watch, but not the digital kind, obviously. Yeah, this house won't have a radio, but the other one will. Did I add that? I think I did. Okay. I think it's in the old West stuff, but I don't know if I've deleted it. It's like I think it's called a percolator. Ow, it's essentially like the old style version of a coffee maker. I don't know if it's in here or if I deleted it. There's a chance I deleted it. Yeah, I think I deleted it. Coffee. Give me an old style coffee maker. This is too modern. This is like 90s, I think. Maybe 2000s. Okay, coffee machine is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like a coffee pot. Old Italian. I mean, if we just ignore the part that it says it's old Italian, this would work, right? It's rusted to hell. Looks old. This could work. Do I have something like this already? Hold on. No. Okay, this will work. So if not that one, let's see if I can find something else. What if I just threw in one random Starbucks coffee cup in there? No, actually, that would curse my game to be doomed. Fucking Game of Thrones Season 8. Coffee grind. Oh, like an old school coffee grinder. This would be good for that one, for the other house, the richer house. So I will throw that in my assets. Coffee maker. Look at this. This is a little too rich. So this I'll put in another house then as well. The richer house. Okay. This is literally the only option. We'll just ignore the fact that it says old Italian. Well, we're in Europe. The game takes place in Europe. In a post-Soviet country. I think it'll make sense, right? It's an older style too. Looks old, dirty, rusty. This fits the style, the time period, the amount of abandonment, I guess, is what I'm looking for. So this is perfect. Copy Nata Gabbiano. Ah, sounds Italian too. Oh man, I would love to go back to Italy. Maybe not at the moment, because shit is getting strange over there. But when I was in high school, it was so fun. Same with France and Spain as well. Maybe one day. But the thing is, I don't like flying. I really don't like it. It's kind of scary. I say that and I'm gonna be flying in literally less than a month. Or a month, actually, not less than. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna end the stream here shortly. I'm gonna have to DM Bill Collector as well. Oh, dear God. Let's make that smaller. Oh, I have a tea kettle. Fuck. Well, this is fine. We'll let this old lady have it. And maybe the rich family down the road. Yeah, this'll work. This'll work. I could also reuse it because some of the other locations will also be vaguely European. Because we're gonna... I'm kind of sticking with Europe as the theme for like the earlier levels, because in the later levels, there's gonna be like an international travel requirement. And that will actually require a specific item to like bring back your vessels. Otherwise, they could get confiscated because they're illegal. But because we're in the EU, it actually makes it easier to travel between countries without like a border, inspection essentially. So doing this in modern times, and we're in Europe to start, makes it easier, and then later on it's kind of like a challenge. It's like an end game requirement for you to go to the US or Japan or somewhere not part of the EU. Okay, so then we'll have that in here. Does that seem out of place? Hold on. This is how we test it. Do I think Queso will play my game? Probably not, if I had to guess. What the hell just happened? No, actually that's fine. The test is if it looks fine with the flashlight, then it's fine. Like, everything in here looks like it fits in, right? Like, nothing seems out of place. Hopefully. Unlike that pot that was out there earlier. Yeah, that works. Oh, and the radio. While I'm here, I'll put the radio in. PT-ish radio. Oh, dear God. Oh, my God. Hold on. Hold on. I think the... Oh, right. There was an issue with this thing. First of all, it's upside down. Second of all, it's missing textures. That's why I didn't install it. Oh, hold on. Maybe I can fix this? I think it's supposed to be two-sided? Yes. That could fix it. Why is this taking forever? I literally can't tell them it. No, it's see-through. Yeah, that didn't fix it. Shouldn't the background of that be all black then? Maybe that's why? It's literally see-through. Like, that's the front right there. Oh. The back is literally see-through to the front. I don't want to use... Oh, God, I deleted the floor. I can't use this then. It's literally not clickable either, is it? This is cursed. Okay, we'll have to figure that out. Are there any complaints about that, actually? Okay, I gotta go. My neck is killing me. Hold on. No, that's what it's supposed to look like right there. So obviously there's either a problem with the upload or... the dev scammed me. I mean, it was free, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so delete the PT-ish radio. Because it doesn't work. I will find another radio. Alright, I gotta do this. There might be a way to fix it, but I don't know. I don't want to deal with that right now. Well, I gotta push the level at some point. I'll do that later. Yeah, save all that, and that's it for the stream, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate it. Make sure you leave a like on the live stream, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. If you want to see more development of this game, obviously there's all the old VODs. You can watch them. But I usually do this every Wednesday. Every so often I'll take a break, though. But I'm more or less done with Milestone 3. It's just that I need assets. That's the problem. Some of these things can't be done until I find assets. So I need to like find the sound effects and the visual effects that I need. But I'm more or less done. So right now I just want to focus on level design, finishing up all the houses, and then getting all the item spawns in, the spawners and all that. And then the game should be more or less playable, kind of. Obviously we still need like the start menu and the level selection, all that. But that'll come down the road though. I'll turn that off. Also, yeah, check out any lore videos for the Long Dark you might have missed. And then there's gonna be a new one on Friday for Ash Canyon. And then next week we've got the start of the Raft series, which I'm very excited for. I hope it turns out well, because I'm gonna put a lot of extra production value into this first video. It's kind of short. It's only like 6.5 minutes long, but it's like the introduction to the series. And so I want that first video to be extra special, and I hope it turns out well and does well. So I appreciate all the support on the channel in general. All right, I will see you tomorrow for more Destiny 2, right? No, that's not tomorrow. That's next week. My bad. Next Thursday's Destiny 2 Beyond Light. We're gonna finish that up. Tomorrow is Green Hell, which I'm very excited for. I've never played it before. It's like every time whenever I see someone talk about like the Long Dark, a lot of people will compare it to Green Hell. Like, is it like Green Hell, where it's like actually like a truly unique, really well designed survival game? And I'm very excited to try out Green Hell because I feel like I should have done this a while ago. But we'll be playing that for the first time ever. I'm going in blind. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, or for Green Hell, Friday's the Long Dark, and the next Wednesday for more game dev. Bye everyone. Have a good night. Bye.